Hi there, Katie. It's Marcy Hutton here, recording your video for you guys. And what I'm going to show you are 3 things that you guys can do today to help bring in even more customers to your business. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why would I do it for me? Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it could actually benefit them. And sometimes their only hesitation in hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you've heard, if you think there's anything that I could do, any of the tricks that I have up my sleeve that could help your business, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that's cool too. So the 3 things I'm going to touch on here that help to make your site more visible and beat out all of your competitors online for your results in the search are content, backlinks, and citations. What I mean by content is what I've got highlighted here. So it's all the words, all the images that you have in throughout your website, and particularly on your homepage, because that's the first place people are going to see when your site comes up. Now, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on a homepage. This is to help them to discover what you do and therefore be able to properly match up with their search results. They want to keep people on their search engine. That's how they make money. So that's why the content, why they like that so much. So you do have you've got, probably more than many. It's one of the things that I'm just going to check this. Now you can see how you've just got letters and numbers and whatnot here. That's a missed opportunity as far as helping Google to see what you do. Pictures can be named with keywords that people would be searching. Now for this particular example, the search term that I used was window replacement, Vancouver. So with your site, you guys look like you're doing quite well. I just took sort of an overview look, but we can look into it a little bit deeper now. Looks like you're doing quite well. However, organically for that particular search term, you're not showing up on the first page other than your paid ads, of course. So what I did is took this business here that is showing up in the #1 position. The first page, you're probably familiar because you're running ads. Your ads are going to be at the top and at the bottom for the businesses that are running them, or the first position of the maps here. But these 3 guys here, we call this the map pack. If there isn't somebody running ads, you're only going to be showing 3. Awesome that you're here. Probably what has a lot to do with that is the fact that you do have a fairly strong backlink profile. Also citations, and that's where I was going second here with your citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number. When Google crawls and sees that a business is cited in a whole bunch of various directories, that tells them that you're a legit business. And how it helps with your Google My Business listing is that if you have more places that your business is cited, if you're listed in more directories, that's going to help to push you up also to be a best case scenario, as you are here, in the top 3 of the search up here. So that's how your citations are going to help you. I actually did run, let's see if it's finished spinning. It doesn't seem to be finished spinning yet, unfortunately. But this is a citation finder. I would imagine that we're going to see your business in the top businesses if it would just stop spinning, but we'll come back to that. And it also gives you a list for any that you may not have grabbed yet, that you can go ahead and grab that and list your business in more. So thirdly, backlinks. What a backlink is it's when another website, a third-party website on the internet, links to your site. How that helps you, if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, when other sites vote for you, aka link to you, that shows Google that you're the popular one, and it's going to help to push you up higher in their search results. So this is showing me that you have 249 referring domains, so 249 websites on the internet linking to you, just about 2,000 backlinks. You're being found for over 1,000 organic keywords, and you've got roughly just about 400 visitors clicking on your site, finding your site, and clicking on it each month. Now that one that's in the first position, this is kind of an example. Not all links are created equal. You want to be getting powerful links, links from sites that Google trusts, links from sites that have been on the internet for some time, so they're credible, and sites that are relevant to what it is that you do. So you can see in this situation how you've got 249 with just about 2,000 backlinks. These guys here, they've just got 114. They've only got 600 backlinks. However, they've got about the same amount of search to their site each month. So that's kind of an example of how not all links are created equal, and where the content comes into play. Where if the content is optimized and whatnot, and that would be why they're showing up on that first page organically, is probably through their content and how their backlinks are created to get them there. So if you guys wanted to just show up in an organic situation, so as I said, I can click away on this and it's not going to cost the business any money. That's always the goal in this. That you could just optimize things a little bit more to get yourself appearing here as well as your paid ads. So I'm just going to leave it at that. I don't like to go too long in these videos, just to offer up some information, help business owners to understand things that they can do if they wanted to go ahead and do a little more to get themselves a little bit more visible. I will follow up with you, Katie. Love to hear business owners' feedback on these videos. I want to know that I'm offering up some value. So we'll talk to you soon.